Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to the answer of who won the challenge of what is the strangest place you crocheted, which was talked about during our crochet podcast, episode 23. What a great question this was. Holy smokes, hilarious, super funny. So I'll just give you a general idea of where some of you have crocheted. A lot of you at church, a lot of you in class or at school, at red lights, buses, the dentist, the bank, the train, a boat, a fishing boat, a bathtub, bathrooms in general, sleeping, doctor's offices, a park, hospitals, a flea market, movies, parking lots, during trips, and then some real contenders at a funeral. I thought that was awesome. Then my son was like, no, that I'm like, come on, that's really good. So high five, Karen, that's awesome. Then Denise, she crocheted during labor at a hospital giving birth. So that is obviously a total winner. Tammy crocheted during chemo. High five, you nailed it. Obviously totally a winner. And Sarbears, she crocheted as she shopped at Walmart. That is my all-time favorite. I think that's awesome. Number one, I love Walmart. I haven't been to a Walmart. Okay, let me think. I'll tell you when I was in a Walmart. 10 years ago. It's been a decade since I went to a Walmart. No, it was mostly Target. Did I go to a Walmart? Maybe I didn't go to a Walmart. But I went to a Target and I love Target. I would go to Target seriously every day. Anyway, off topic, sorry. So the winners are Denise, awesome, and Tammy and Sarbears. So you guys just send me an email with your mailing addresses if I don't have them. Denise, I'm pretty sure I have yours, but send it to me again because, you know, looking through my files. And I will send you your prizes, which I didn't bring over to film this because that's me. Let me get them. Back. Okay, I guess I could have just brought one. I brought a whole handful of tea bags. Like you wouldn't know what I'm sending you if I just brought one. I'm not joking. Okay, so this is my life. A pack of whip cards. Who doesn't love those? So 25 whip cards and some tea bags. I'll fill an envelope so it still counts as an envelope and it won't kill me for shipping. And you guys will get your whip cards. Whip cards, if people don't know, because even me, I didn't know. They are cards, like little business cards. Is it gonna focus? That you can write down your project, your hook size, your yarn, little notes about your recipe or pattern. And they all have cute little sayings on the back, most of which have typos because I was like all proud of myself, but for getting them done at like 5:30 in the morning with half a cup of coffee. However, they're done. They're still really great. And some of them don't have typos. So imagine that. Anyway, you three will be getting whip cards and tea bags. And you too, Karen, send me your address because I think that's great. Even though my son, my little highly moral 12-year-old is looking down upon it, I think it's awesome. So send me your email addresses and I will get those out to you. Yay! That was so fun. So thanks everybody, and we'll see you on the next live chat. Stay hooked. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to the announcement of the winner of our question from our live episode. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to the announcement for the winner for our crochet question from our